Hello and welcome to the technical inspection video of the car from the team Lycée des Arts et Métiers representing Luxembourg. First up is Station 1 Driver's Control. Here you can see that the driver has an appropriate motorsports helmet, a racing suit and racing gloves. Next up is Station 2 Vehicle Dimensions. Our car is 760 mm high, 700 mm wide and 1900 mm long. Its track width is 700 mm and the wheelbase is 1550 mm. Station 3 Seatbelts and roll bar. We have 5 mounting points for our seat belts, which are all fixed in the chassis. You can observe the crotch strap in the underbody. Next, you can see there's a crumple space to protect from a front impact, as well as a crumple space to protect from a side impact. Our roll bar is more than 50 millimeters higher than the driver's head and includes firm shoulder protections. Station 4 Brakes. In front we have one brake per wheel and the brakes are hydraulic. There is one system for both front brakes, which will in the near future be operated by a foot operated pedal. This pedal is in production and not yet mounted. Equally, we are working on the rear hydraulic brake, which for the moment we are speaking is still a disc brake operated by a cable. The rear brake will be operated by a lever on the handle. The front brake will be operated by a pedal, as said. All 3 wheels, the 2 in front and 1 in the back, have brakes as we are speaking. Both hands remain on the steering wheel all the time. Station 6 Exit. The emergency exit procedure is trained and has been repeated multiple times. The result is that the driver can exit the car within well below 10 seconds. The clock is shown in the video here. Station 7 Mechanical Vehicle Design. Our vehicle has a fully closed body. Its front crumple zone is well above 100 mm. It has a solid floor and frame. Here you can see the bulkhead, which is very rigid and has a fire resistant layer. The bulkhead also clearly isolates the energy from the driver compartment. Here you can see our chain guard. You can also see that from the engine the exhaust goes to the outside. Station 8 Electrical Vehicle Design. Our car has a single battery which is of lithium-ion type. It is 12 volt and 48 watt hours. You can see the fuse of our electrical system situated on the bottom under the engine compartment. Also note the position of our battery is on the back of the bulkhead behind the driver and next to the engine on the left side. This one is mounted by its own bracket firmly to the chassis of the car. Station 9 Energy Verification, ICE. The fuel tank is positioned on the bulkhead on the top left hand side. The safety valve is located between the regulator and the tank. All fuel hoses are translucent. As you can observe, there are no obstructions in the fuel line. Our engine features one fuel injector and one electric starter. Our car features 2 emergency stop switches. One reachable from the outside, which is located on the top of the bulkhead outside of the car, and one located on the right hand side of the driver's compartment just next to the steering wheel, reachable by the driver. So this concludes the technical inspection of our vehicle. We hope you enjoyed it and we did not miss out on any details. Please stay healthy and we hope to see you on the next race.